Now we're going to draw RNA, and we're going to draw a polynucleotide of RNA, maybe 3 bases long. So we're going to start again with the pentose sugar, which in this case is going to be ribose. Link again to carbon 1 to the nitrogen containing base, and carbon 5 up to the phosphate group. We now want to mirror that just below. So if we draw the same pentagon again, carbon 1 to the next nitrogen containing base. These rectangles can all be the same size, no need to kind of show the difference between the purines and pyrimidines. And again up here we're going to have a phosphate group. One more nucleotide, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides for my pentagon, over to the rectangle. No need for a ruler here. Make sure though that your bonds are in the correct places. And there we've got 3 nucleotides. Now we're going to join them with a covalent bond from the phosphate group to carbon 3. Here's carbon 3, so we join our phosphate group there. That should be going across to the corner, so I'll just correct that. So there we go. Then we can label. So again, we have a nitrogen containing base. We have ribose now. We don't need to write pentose sugar because we can be specific because we're talking about RNA, and we still have a phosphate. Now because I've got a polynucleotide, I could actually label one structure and say, okay, this is a nucleotide. I could go further if there were more marks available. There's 4 possible bases, so I could do a 4th nucleotide here, join it in, making sure everything goes to the correct places. And then I could actually name my nitrogenous bases. So I could have adenine, thymine is replaced by uracil, cytosine, guanine. The order does not matter if they haven't told you what to do. And I'm going to label adenine is A, uracil is U, cytosine is C, and guanine is G. There is one more thing that we can actually label. These bonds going from the 3rd carbon to the phosphate group here, these are covalent bonds, so I could label that covalent bond, or you could say it's a phosphodiester bond. There's your finished piece of work, finished.